Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I'd like to share with you an exciting collaboration in the beauty space at the moment, and this is between Mally and Rupaul. Mally Roncal is a celebrity makeup artist, and we all know who Rupaul is. He's just a statuesque, gorgeous man. So they have a beauty collection. They have a palette, an eyeliner set, a lipstick set, and liquid lipstick set. There's also a face defender, a mascara set, and a blush and highlighter palette that is currently on advance order at QVC. And as of right now, this is exclusive to QVC. Here is the packaging. You have this gorgeous coral color and the pink, this sort of bubblegum pink, which is so Mally, and their photos on the front, and the palette is called RuPalette. On the back it says, get a bourgeois slay with this limited edition palette full of never before seen eyeshadows. This palette is made up of 18 intense shades designed by Mally and Ru for all your fierce eye looks. With a mix of matte, shimmer, and all-out sparkle finishes, this palette will turn anyone into an extraordinary diva. I love that. So that is the packaging for the eyeshadow palette. Here is the eyeshadow palette. All white with gold font and gold sides. And it also comes with a brush. So it has Mally plus Rupaul and the name of the palette, RuPalette. It has RuPalette on the back and just the total grams on the back. Sorry, the white is washed out. It comes with, of course, a lining, and here a mirror, and here are the colors. These are gorgeous. Right now I'm wearing Kitty Girl Capricorn Uniqueness on my eyes. So let me just try and give you a close-up without washing out the colors. There we go. I am going to give you a few swatches. I'm not going to give you all of them because this is just first impression. So I'm going to give you this color, Sachet, Shantae, Sissy That Walk, and Mother. So these are some of the softest shadows that I have used in a long time. Let me just wipe my hands off. It is a gorgeous palette. I have been playing with it now for 2 days, and so far I like it. Again, this is a first impression, and also let me make a disclaimer. I am not a makeup artist. I'm a makeup novice. I wouldn't even go as far as saying I'm a makeup novice. I'm more of someone who loves makeup. So I believe that if someone like me, who is less than a novice, if a palette can work for me, if I can make it work, it is a great palette. And this, so far, I am absolutely loving. So next we have the eyeliners, and these are called Realness Eyeliners. The boxes are of the same color scheme as the palette. So you have a black, which is called Sequins, a dark brown, which is called Hey Sis, and a more of a Bordeaux color, a reddish brown, and that's called Mighty Love. So let's start with Mighty Love. Here is the pencil, and this tells you, this denotes the color, this little band or ribbon right here. And I'm telling you, Mally has some of the best eyeliners on the market. They are soft, they are creamy. I used this yesterday as a lip liner. Soft, goes on easily, there are no tugging. It's just gorgeous. So that's Mighty Love, that's the Bordeaux color. Here is the dark brown, and this is called Hey Sis. Again, soft and easy to blend. No tugging on the eyes. They're just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And then lastly in the set is the black, which is called Sequins. There you go. So this is the Realness Trio, and these are $29.96 at QVC. I will leave all the information below so you can go ahead and click on there and go shop at QVC. Then we have the lipsticks. These are the RuPaul lipstick for your life 3-piece set. Again, the box is the same color scheme, same color story. And here are the lipsticks. Gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. It has the Mally plus RuPaul here and lipstick for your life. We're going to swatch. This one is called Teehee, and this is a nude. I am not going to lie and say I will be wearing nudes, because nudes never look good on me. That's the color. Nudes are not my friend. They make my teeth look like I brushed it with a Snicker bar, so that will be going to my sister Sharon. Then we have another lipstick. It's called Workroom, and this is a gorgeous bubblegum pink. What I love about these lipsticks, I've worn the next one I'm about to show you. Oh, so gorgeous. And there's Workroom. See how they look more like a stain? They are moisturizing. They don't feel like you... I've worn it yesterday and I totally forgot that I was wearing lipstick. I absolutely love them. They're so comfortable. And I was wearing Mama Ru. Oh my gosh, it is such a beautiful color. And again, I cannot stress how lovely they are on the lips. It's just so comfortable and so beautiful, so moisturizing. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. So that is the lipstick set. That retails for $29.96 as well. The information is in the box below where you can click and go shop at QVC. Then we have the liquid lipstick set, and this is called Liquid Lipstick and Lip Topper 3-piece. So here we start with the lip topper, pardon me, and this is called Discotheque Lip Topper. This is such a pretty baby pinkish coral color. Oh my God, it is so gorgeous and so comfortable on the lips. Just beautiful. I used the topper over Mama Ru yesterday, and oh my God, it was gorgeous. It was absolutely beautiful. And then we have liquid lipstick. This is called Showgirl. Isn't this a gorgeous nude? It is such a beautiful, beautiful nude. Again, oh, this one looks like I could possibly wear this one. with a nice, with Hey Sis, that eyeliner, the dark brown, I could possibly wear that with this, or I may just give it to my sister. And then my favorite lipstick, liquid lipstick that they have at the moment, and this is called Drag Mother. And you know why. Red is my favorite color. It's what I'm wearing right now. I absolutely love it. It is comfortable. It is gorgeous. It makes my teeth look really white. It is such a sexy red lipstick. I mean, I put it on and I'm in the mirror just looking at myself. I'm looking at my lips and just pouting. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. It is just a beautiful set. All around, the collection is cohesive. It's beautiful. They're bright, they're fun, they're Mally, they're Rupaul. This is a beautiful, beautiful collection. And my first impression of everything, I absolutely adore everything that I've tried so far. I am anxious to get the Face Defender and the highlighter and blush palette. I'm really excited. But right now, everything will be linked below. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it below. And as always, be kind to yourself, be kind to others, simply pay it forward. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the like button, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. I will also leave Mally's and RuPaul's Instagram below. God bless you. Until next time. Bye-bye.